This is why you need NPTI Florida to launch your career in fitness. Our trainers are dominating gyms across the country. For over 25 years, NPTI Florida has been transforming fitness enthusiasts into professional trainers with our 600-hour Hands-On Diploma program. Imagine learning in a real gym setting, gaining practical skills, and getting lifetime job placement assistance. Our graduates are now thriving at top gyms like Crunch Fitness, Gold's Gym, and Equinox Fitness Centers. Why settle for basic certifications when you can get comprehensive training that sets you apart? NPTI Florida is veteran-owned and operated, offering a fast-track 18-week program that includes business skills development. Whether you're a career changer, a veteran, or simply passionate about fitness, we've got the tools to help you succeed. Don't just dream about it, make it happen. Join the ranks of successful NPTI Florida trainers and start your high-income career today. Visit our website to learn more and take the first step towards your future in fitness.